Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. You see what I got right here. It is a box, and I can tell you I already know what it is because I got a box a few days ago that had this, and I think I told you guys about this. So these are my brake lines, my steel braided brake lines. Now, so here we go. This is one pair. This is actually the front pair of steel braided brake lines. As you got see, I got from Stop Tech. I actually got them off of Amazon, so yeah, I get everything off of Amazon. Yeah, I know. So I got these, and the ones in here should be the rear. There they are. So there they are. Does this come with anything else? No, it doesn't. Trash. Alright, so there you go. You see my stainless steel brake lines, and some good quality brake lines. As you see, I wouldn't get confused. I wrote front on these, and these are the rear. Put that around so you get a better look at those. Ooh, yeah. Now I am just waiting for my front calipers to come in, and I will have completed my conversion, because I don't want to put these on, have to break the system with the brake fluid, change out everything to put these in, and then do it just for the calipers. That's just kind of pointless and time consuming. So you might as well just go ahead and do it with the whole system. So that way, you know, once it's done, it's done. You don't have to worry about it for a while. So yeah, this is what I got. Part numbers, if you guys are looking for these. So these will be coming to the channel real soon. Once my calipers come in, we will do that. Probably just sit out a whole day and do the whole suspension and brakes. Because, you know, I got the coilovers. So all this stuff might get put on at the same time. All might get put on different times. I don't know yet. It depends on how much time we got, what the weather's like. So yeah, thank you guys for stopping into this quick video. I'll see you guys next time.